Superstars in action. Roller game of the week. It's the Chicago Hawks and the Los Angeles Thunderbirds. It's halftime. The score here, 53-52. The Thunderbirds out in front by 1, Jim.
Yes, indeed. This is the first game of the year between the Los Angeles T-Birds and the Chicago Hawks, and the first game that John Drew, the new owner and general manager, has been involved with his new team, the Chicago Hawks. Everybody thought he was going to come in and be a little bit crazy, a little loony, but his tactics have paid off because he's got some high scores. Vicky McEwen in the first half has picked up 11 points. And Neil Chambers, for the men, has picked up 25 points. That's some pretty high scoring. On the other side of the track for the Los Angeles T-Birds, Ralphie Baladeras, on his road to picking up his career total of 10,000 points, has only 9,989 points. He's still 11 points away. He only picked up 1 point last week. He hasn't picked up any points in the first half of this game. He has been shut out by Miss Georgia Haas, E.G. Miller, and Mr. John Drew. It seems to be a conspiracy.
It certainly does, and as exciting as the first half of tonight's game it was, compared to halftime when we had a match race between Ronnie Psycho Raines and Mad Dog Drew, billed as the Battle of the Loonies. Well, as it turned out, when Ronnie Raines was just about ready to wipe Mad Dog Drew off the track, E.G. Miller came in and interfered in that race, taking the victory away from Ronnie. Well, the T-Birds protested violently, and Liz Hernandez, the field representative of the commission, stuck her neck out just a little bit, as you're going to hear more about that later. Stuck her neck out and ordered Drew and E.G. Miller to meet Ralphie Baladeras and Ronnie Raines this Saturday night here at the Olympic Auditorium and settle this thing once and for all. And remember, I warned you gentlemen last week that Drew would not go into that match race without there's something being behind it. It has happened.
Well, Hoppy, Jim, you know, it's really a mess, a complete mess. It's got to be resolved sooner or later. Georgia Haas went to the commission meeting, and Liz Hernandez and John Hall also went to the meeting. Georgia Haas, she got what she wanted, but only a token suspension for John Hall. Darlene Langlois de la Chapelle and Debbie Heller got 1 week suspension, and a severe reprimand for that gal given to Liz Hernandez, and that's unbelievable. I can't believe it.
Yes, and the commission has taken the matter of Darlene Langlois de la Chapelle under their hat. What they've done is they said they want to study it a little bit further to make sure that they come up with the right decision. So, in the meantime, Darlene Langlois de la Chapelle is permitted to skate with the Los Angeles T-Birds after she comes back off of suspension.
Well, they said Liz Hernandez has overstepped her bounds. I wonder what's going to happen next. In the meantime, we've got a second half of action coming up. You hang on. We'll be right back for a big second half.
Classic Sports Network presents This Day in Classic Sports, October 13th, 1971. The stars in their eyes after this.
What if you could collect life's greatest moments? If you could just hang on to them and not let any slip away? And what if every time you remembered them, they were just as vivid, just as great? On Classic Sports Network, memories don't pass you by, nor are they carted off and filed away. They're front and center, and even sideways. Classic Sports Network, the only network where time moments happen 24 hours a day.
October 13th, 1971. Roberto Clemente collects 3 hits as the Pirates win a 4-3 victory over the Baltimore Orioles in the first World Series game ever played at night. Tune in every day for This Day in Classic Sports.
The conspiracy between Georgia Haas, E.G. Miller, and John Drew to stop Ralphie Baladeras from picking up points has been a very big one because Baladeras has not picked up any points. And the big match race coming up between E.G. Miller, John Drew, and Ralphie Baladeras and Ronnie Raines Saturday night. That is going to be something else. But I'll tell you, the important thing that's happening tonight is the T-Bird ladies are skating with Quinn Miller, who is
there, the people in San Bernardino, when are you going to come out there to the Thunderbirds? Well, mark this date on your calendar, Saturday night, February night, Swing Auditorium, T-Birds and these same Chicago Haupt. Special discount prices for kids.
You know, that's just if John Drew is able to make it after Saturday night when E.G. and John Drew take on Ronnie and Ralphie.
57, the Thunderbirds out in front by 2, and Donnie Young, the designating scorer for the Thunderbirds. And right in front by herself is Cricket McEwen, and the Thunderbirds yell, whoa, 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 can they do what they like? Can they beat this team? A tough team, and John Drew has them cooked here. They get them going. Patsy Delgado, the back of the pack, number 3. Blocking on defense, Patsy Delgado doing a good job, and a very versatile gal, Patsy Delgado. And she do it all back here. Peggy Fowler said, no, I'm going to block her. There comes Georgia Haupt again. Haupt up there comes. All kinds of trouble. Georgia Haupt knocks it down the Thunderbird gal, and Peggy Fowler running down here for number 33. Tricky Vicky McEwen by the inside of the back. Knock it in. A vicious block by Georgia. No, she doesn't at all. The referee says 7 points. Lisa Hernandez and Georgia. The gal that's charging the devil, general manager, vice president. $25 point on Liz Hernandez from the referee.
Remember, Liz Hernandez unclaimed is, don't touch my hair. She never lets anybody touch. You know, she's an Aztec Indian princess. And
you better believe it, lady. You're going to get suspended.
Liz Hernandez just seen Georgia Haupt and E.G. So much, especially from a gal busted her head like that Georgia Haupt. You know, Jim, you can just get that boiling point. You got to do something about it.
Boil over, that's right.
Well, we'll see what the Thunderbirds can do. We see the likes of Ronnie Psycho Reyes after all the things happen here at halftime and thinking about the big match race this Saturday night in the Olympics. It's got to be worried a little bit. Never endless, never endless. Now it's Coley Morrell. Coley Morrell up in front with Lori Weichel behind her. Weichel 3 steps behind them alongside. Patsy Delgado up in front. Patsy hasn't even noticed her yet. She pats her on the back. And she's giving her a dump. She does it.
That nearly took out our VIP cameraman in the infield. He almost went down. Did you see her?
Almost became young Brent out there.
you know, the folks all over Southern California really love the T-Birds, and I don't think we've had an opportunity for a long time where we've had something like coming up on February 2nd and 3rd, our Blockbuster weekend, because it begins at San Diego on Saturday night with the T-Birds going against very, very strong New York Hawks. Then on Sunday, February 3rd, for the triple header, 3 big games, 3 big teams, T-Birds, Detroit Devils and Texas Outlaws with the fabulous Foreman Eagle Club on a Saturday matinee. We'll see you there.
Well, Hoppy, as we're talking, there's all kinds of action down there on the track, and Georgia Haupt busted him up. Patsy Delgado got busted down, picked up a penalty, and she's in the penalty box now, Patsy Delgado. They can't have that in there because she was slapping Don Laster on the top of his little ball beak out there. Don Laster like a big, took care of that. All fair war in there. Yeah, we never had that. You believe that? 223, 64 to 59. The Hawks on the yeah, she took that rifle. Up the long side. 1, 2, 3, and boom! Boom! And down hard. Going down hard with 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. A very strong team in there with 3 points. Well, she's picked up a total of 20 points. Colleen Morrell doing a fine job, and it's because of the great crowd tonight. They've been cheering her on. It's a jam-packed crowd here at the Olympic Auditorium. It is T-Bird fever. Gets a workout every game you see here with 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. A quick rundown of the team as we see Liz Hernandez in the infield. Kim Tucker, she's number 37. A mid-packer this evening along with Lori Weichel. Tricky McEwen, saw her now name out plenty of times. Peggy Fowler. Her take now, number 31. Irene Benson, look at this great crowd. The Olympic Auditorium.
excitement with the fans than the fact of E.G. Miller and Mad Dog Drew both on the track at one time against Ralphie Valadares and Psycho Rain. That's going to be something.
All right, we got 17 seconds remaining, and you better believe
This is a big
that.
crowd tonight.
Look at all kinds of loony toonies out there on the track. And who's that? Another Thunderbird fan walking around. All you can see is the mouth here. You're a hairy son of a gun out there. You don't look like Don Lester. With 3 seconds remaining, the clock to tick away in there. Oh, yeah. No score in there. No score. The score 66 to 64. Thunderbirds out in front. We're going to have an interview with Jim McInerney trackside. Liz Hernandez.
Well, Saturday night, right here at the Olympic Auditorium, it's going to be a big match race between Ronnie Psycho Raines, Ralphie Valadares, and E.G. Miller and John Drew. Liz Hernandez, you were the one that ordered this match race. Do you think you've overstepped your bounds?
No, I feel that I did not. If E.G. wants to interfere with a match race, he should be in one, and that's why I said he was going to be one next week.
Are you going to be here, Liz?
Yes, even if I have to get on the track and skate against him myself.
Well, very good, Liz. Thank you very much. We'll be right back. We're going to pause down the VIP Network Live.
I'd like to have people say he was a winner, he was a champion, he was there, he was one of the greatest clutch that ever played, he was Mr. October.
You're watching Classic Sports Network, where the legends play.
You've spent your entire life sleeping in an old-fashioned flat bed, but now you have the opportunity to find out about a better, healthier way to relax and sleep. Get this free information kit about Craftmatic adjustable beds. Call toll-free and a helpful operator will mail you a free Craftmatic adjustable bed catalog and this special rebate certificate. It's worth $200 off any Craftmatic Model 1 adjustable bed. Why is Craftmatic making this rebate offer? It's our way of saying thanks for taking the time to find out about Craftmatic. There is, of course, absolutely no obligation for calling toll-free and requesting this helpful information kit. So if you have any interest in adjustable beds, pick up your phone and call now.
Call toll-free 1-800-BED-9115. That's 1-800-BED-9115 toll-free. 1-800-BED-9115.
Johnny Bench, Paul Silas, Franco Harris, John Havlicek, Rayford Johnson, Pete Rose, Pete Maravich, Bob Seagren, Bobby Mercer, Paul Blair, Greg Pruitt, Mike Hargrove, Steve Garvey, Jerry Quarry, Lynn Swan, Lou Brock, Steve Smith, Stan Smith, Elvin Hayes, Reggie Jackson, Ahmad Rashad, Jean-Claude Keeley, Johnny Unitas, Rod Laver, Earl the Pearl Monroe, Franz Palmer, Dave Kingman, Gene Tennis, Bobby Rigby, Smoke, and Joe Frazier.
Well, you saw that smiling face as we left the camera there. That's one of the fine fans that attends there every Saturday night. But I'm just wondering who it is out there. You never know. It might be somebody that we know, Hoppy. All right, 67 to 64. Great time to on Saturday night. The Olympic Auditorium and all the freeways meet here. Fun night for the Thunderbirds. All the families here to watch skaters. Like the young man you see on the track right now, number 33, Jerry Ruiz. Jerry Ruiz is a good skater. There you see Ronnie Psycho Raines the back of the pack. And you know this is Super Bowl weekend. It's all kinds of action. What are we going to do with Ralphie Valadares? So we're going to try stopping this man like they stopped Earl Campbell less than 50 yards. And one big playoff game. All the same. Ralphie, you're going to get a chance to get over and try to get that 10,000 point here tonight. And right now, Psycho going wild. Flying. On 1 point picked up by the Hawks in there. And the Psycho is flushing out the entire Hawk team. There's all the people here at the Olympic Auditorium.
You know, Sammy Washington and Ronnie Raines are two of those that are featured in our new issue of T-Bird Confidential. The beautiful full-color picture of Darlene Langlois on the cover. And even though Darlene isn't skating tonight, people have the picture in front of them. Incidentally, if you'd like to find out more information about it, you can pick it up at the game, all the T-Bird games. Or if you want to get a little information, you don't get to the game, just drop a card to T-Bird Confidential, Post Office Box 3330, Hollywood 28, and we'll tell you all about it.
There's the chicken, Jim.
Yes, indeed. That chicken is holding a baby chicken. By the way, oh, here comes Ralphie Valadares. He's going to try another attempt to pick up those 11 make the 10,000 points. Can he do it? He's been set out so far.
He's going to get 1, 2, 3.
and E.G. Miller keep running away from the trouble here tonight. Well, Saturday night at the Olympic, man, they're not going to be able to run any place at the Olympic Auditorium. But they're going to be right on the track with Ralphie Valadares and Ronnie Psycho Raines in that match race, and they are going to run no place.
You know, they said that this John Drew was crazy, but he put a new name on this Neil Travis. He just picked up 6 points. He has got a total of 31 points so far this evening. Did you believe Ronnie Raines, Ralphie Valadares, E.G. Miller, along with John Drew? That's got to be one of the greatest match races you'll ever want to see. Well, there's not going to be interference, so there's no place to hide. Here, guys, no place to go. Here's the Olympics. I'm telling you, this is the greatest place to watch a match.
You're watching Classic Sports Network. Once-in-a-lifetime moments, 24 hours a day.
We didn't know the political implications at that time because it wasn't our concern. We were only concerned with the idea of being there to be able to represent our nation in those Olympic Games.
I'm very glad to have won the 100 meters in the Olympic Games here in Berlin. A very beautiful place and a very beautiful setting. The competition was grand, and we're very glad to come out on top.
We did not think in terms of the implications that it might lead to in later years. We have people here that are bringing forth the injustices of our country to certain peoples of this land. Not only the black, the Indian, the Mexican-American, but I do believe that there's a way, and there's a time, and there's a place to express that.
Hi there, everybody. I'm Mark Scott saying, welcome to Home Run Derby.
Play ball!
It's a home run or nothing here on Home Run Derby. If it's in the strike zone, you'd better swing at it.
Play!
In my day. Well, keep on swinging. That's the game. Fellas, today you're going for the big money. Holy Toledo. Man, he belted that ball. So long until tomorrow. Hank, you're making a career out of Home Run Derby.
Fire up!
Home Run Derby swings for the fences every Sunday on Classic Sports.
Well, there's the chicken with his chicken. Go, T-Birds, go! Why, we want to take this time to say hello to Jim and Betty Weber from Joshua Tree, California. They came down this evening to see the T-Birds and the cheermon. Say hello, and there's the chicken saying hi.
71-67 the score. The Chicago Hawks out in front, and Ralphie Valadares getting another back. He plays there with back. So far, the Americans sit out here tonight. Now he's in pursuit of the record. Blockbuster weekend, that's for sure. Oh, every weekend's been a big one. All right, number 33, Jerry Reese. Now back Carroll Jackson. A reversal kick. New number 2 in there. And number 2 is Sam, the man washing the referee down last for Jerry Tito watching here. It's the cycle up in front of Jerry Reese. Second away. Someone's got to stop this old man. Harold Jackson. Drew.
will be fired. That's all I have to say.
Well, thank you very much, Ms. Georgia Hassan. We're going to pause on VIP Network. Line will be right back.
What a performance by Gibson. 3 games, 3 wins. Bob Gibson, the man of the hour for the St. Louis Cardinals.
You're watching Classic Sports Network, where the legends play.
In 1 year, over 200,000 people got the perfect stomach with 8-minute abs. Just listen to these results.
I went from this flabby spare tire to a washboard stomach. Thanks, 8-minute abs.
I used to wear loose clothes to hide my tummy, but look, now I use 8-minute abs.
8-minute abs is great. I pop it in, I'm done, and it works.
8-minute abs takes you through a series of simple movements scientifically designed for fast results.
I use 8-minute abs, and I recommend it to all of my clients.
The secret is using the abdominal muscles in a specific sequence to maximize effectiveness, and it gets the job done in only 8 minutes.
If you've got 8 minutes and a VCR, you'll get great abs too.
Call during this special offer, and we'll give you a $5 rebate coupon. That's right, now for just $9.95 with rebate, you too can have slim, trim, 8-minute abs, and your satisfaction is guaranteed. But you must call right now.
Satisfaction's guaranteed, so call 1-800-413-4433. That's 1-800-413-4433.
3 A's, 2 out, 9th inning. Not a bad opening act. And with 2 out, you talk about a roll of the dice. This is it. High fly ball into right.
It's more than the moment. Watch the greatest World Series innings ever played on Cut to the Chase, Friday at 7 on Classic Sports.
Well, this lovely lorry there and these thousands and thousands of fans here at the Olympic Auditorium that have come out here tonight to see the Thunderbirds. The greatest game I think we've had this year.
Remember, the people have been asking, and John Hall, Darlington, Ward, La Chapelle, and Debbie Hunter will be here this Saturday night. They will return. The suspension will be over, and they will definitely be here. You can count on that. 79-78 the score. The Thunderbirds up by 1. Very interesting interview. Johnny Young is out there all by herself now, the leading jammer for the Thunderbirds. Nobody contested, but back on defense. Back on defense is Kirby McInerney along with Peggy Fowler. The designated score, number 2, Johnny Young. And Young is assistant vice president of bank.
John Drew is injured. The trainer is talking to him, and it looks like they're taking him off the track. He is limping.
Well, you know, you're going to see this whole group, including the Haupt and John Drew out there. You folks in San Bernardino at Swing Auditorium on Saturday night. Mark it on your calendar. February 9th, the Hawks and Thunderbirds are going to repeat this all over again. And you better get your jersey on.
Good block by Patsy Delgado as he leaned back and popped to the short one in there. Peggy Fowler, but Fowler comes to the air and she's on fire this time. By Renee LeMay. That side swiped in there. Yeah, Jordan Haas jumped up on the track. He did fine. I was here over there. There's so much action going on in the back here. You gotta be here to see it. Look out. Here we go. Georgia Haas and Liz Hernandez going at it again. I don't believe this. Liz Hernandez has been warned by the commission, but she is not going to back down from anybody. Liz, Georgia grabbed it. Liz is here, and that is it. The final word is going to go the ball, but it is. Tom Master trying to break this up. Georgia Haas Liz Hernandez going at it to the nail. Well, Georgia Haas has seen that red definitely, but Liz Hernandez is saying likewise to herself. And Liz, I don't know what that is. She's a princess, what, Hoppy?
She's an Aztec Indian princess.
Well, she's got her damn one now. Let me tell you.
Well, when I just think about that pair there, if they're going to go at it Saturday night and the match race with Taylor and Drew and Johnny Raines, it will be everything.
Okay, Patsy Delgado went to the lorry, wiped up the corner from the Remember, this is the innovation night. Approximately 80 yards in circumference. You got to skate around that pedal and pick it up. Roll that jam in, score. And right now, it's Patsy Delgado. She's the gal that's trying to score. She's on the track. If you can't like, you can buy a ball. Pick up a grand slam. You get all 5 of them. It's like a home run. Tag all the bases. But right now, Patsy's going nowhere. It's a tough gal, Lori Whitehall. Got a few fans in there. Lori Whitehall. This gal, Patsy Delgado. 3, 2, 1. And that's going to be all. And Jim, really surprising to me. There's so many Pittsburgh Steeler pennants around in the audience here tonight, along with a Ram pennant.
Well, you better believe there's a lot of Steeler fans here in the audience. It's the Super Bowl weekend. Now, there's a man that probably won't be seeing the Super Bowl, John Drew. He's got a big, he's got the Powerball.
You won't see any more excitement or action tomorrow at the Super Bowl than you're seeing here.
Well, it's always a Super Bowl here every Saturday night. The Olympic Auditorium. That's for sure. And the gal right there, Patsy Delgado, watching it. down by 3, the Thunderbirds, with a big gal up in front, Gloria Weichel. Gloria Weichel, the biggest gal on the track here tonight. The Thunderbirds needing some size. They're missing Debbie Helden quite a bit here this evening. So glad to hear she'll be back next week. Get off that suspension. Hope nothing else happens this Saturday night. She will back in action here for the
season. Well, a word to the wise, you know. The T-Birds, New York Bombers, and of course, we're back on Sunday with a matinee triple header at the Los Angeles Fabulous Forum. Sunday, February 3rd, first game 2 p.m. Three big games, three teams, T-Birds, White Devils, and Texas Outlaws. Here at the Olympic Auditorium with 1/4 man. Look at him, Hoppy. You couldn't put another person here in. I thought she was driving away. He couldn't get in. Well, here she is, calling her out. One of the pretty skills on the big track. And she's taking out one of her. The number 6 is 50 McKinnon. 1:18 remaining. Now it's up to calling her out. She does it by herself. Take it forward. One talent from Philadelphia now skating for this tough team. The Chicago Hawks led by John with a double block to outside. Wow, she needs some help. Overall, this is where they miss Debbie Helden and Darlene Lenoir. They lift it up. 1 minute remaining. Chloe Morell's going to make a run for it. Hurry up to the middle of the pack. Keep that. Break it up and try to see the guy. And again, between the two of them there. Hernandez, of course, tonight claims that Georgia Haas is overstepping her bounds when she started pulling her hair and going on a rampage on T-Bird skaters. So I don't know, those two gals will be going at it Saturday night, too. Well, they're all going to want to be here because that suspension will be over. John will be back, Darlene will be back, Kevin will be back. And we're going to go trackside with Jim McInerney for an interview. Here he comes.
Well, this Saturday night, right here at the Olympic Auditorium, it's going to be a big match race. Ronnie Psycho reigns, Ralphie Valadares, A.G. Miller, and John Drew, and there's not going to be any place for them to hide, Ralphie.
That's right, Jim. It's been a long time coming. E.G. has nowhere to go. He has nowhere to hide. It's going to be just E.G. Miller, Mad Dog Drew, they call him. But I know we got Psycho Range with me here, and we're going to wipe him out.
I understand that Mad Dog Drew has threatened you, Ronnie.
You can call him Mad Dog, and he can say he threatened me. But I tell you one thing, me and Ralphie been wanting to get, I know Ralphie's been wanting to get a hold of E.G. for a long time, and I've been wanting to get a hold of Mad Dog, and when I get to him, he's going to be a dead dog.
Well, thank you very much, and good luck to you this Saturday night. We'll be right back after this word.
I'm fast, I'm pretty, and can't possibly be beat.
Classic Sports Network, where the legends play.
In America, a violent crime occurs every 17 seconds. In fact, 1 out of every 4 women will be sexually assaulted in her lifetime. Self-protection is no longer optional. What you just witnessed happened to me, only I wasn't carrying any self-protection. In broad daylight, I was stabbed and raped repeatedly in my own car. Since founding Voices Against Violence, I've searched for the right self-defense product. Today, I arm myself with Safeguard pepper spray.
Unlike other pepper spray products, Safeguard is now available to the general public in the same strength used by the FBI and law enforcement agencies nationwide. Safeguard's all-direction spray makes it easy to hit your target, shooting up to 10 feet. The expanded spray is capable of stopping a group of attackers for up to 30 minutes. Safeguard has been proven more effective than other tear gas products, even stopping violent attackers under the influence of alcohol and drugs. When it comes to your personal safety and the safety of your loved ones, don't settle for anything less than Safeguard pepper spray.
Safeguard's keychain model has the secret advantage of disguise while putting protection in your hand whenever you need it. Its sleek design features golden highlights over solid crafted brass. Don't settle for imitations. Only Safeguard features all-direction spraying, and only Safeguard is uniquely refillable. Imagine the extra peace of mind you'll have knowing you can regularly test and refill your Safeguard pepper spray. The self-defense keychain is now only $19.95. Order 3 or more and pay just $16.95 each. And as a special bonus, we'll include this 2.5-ounce self-defender model absolutely free. For extra security, keep it in your car or at home in a desk drawer. Together as a set, these 2 Safeguard models offer you the ultimate in non-lethal protection at home or on the go.
Now available in New York, not available in stores. So call now 1-800-344-4888. That's 1-800-344-4888.
Watch classic sports. It's the greatest of all time.
My cable company just picked it up. You'll come over.
Cool.
And this time, bring chips.
I'm calling my cable company. I gotta get classic sports, and you can't stop me. Classic sports, classic sports. Yes, we just got classic sports. We got it.
Hey, all these guys get it.
So don't leave your friends out in the cold. Spread the word about Classic Sports Network today.
As the men are getting ready to take off here with the story, the center for the Thunderbirds in the for the hot dog. He said the mad dog, a hot dog, and they're going to be a dead dog. Well, Saturday night's really going to be something one way or another. This is going to be like a 4-man match race. All right, out there now is number 4. Back in the action once again, Dennis Benson. Young man doing an excellent job. Over the side, then Timothy Chambers released from Haupt. Brian Jimson for this good Chicago Hawk team. Tonight for the Thunderbirds, Sam the man of Michael Grady. Mike Grady, number 3. Dennis Mayflower, the jammer now with the cycle. Running cycle. Round speed over there on the ball there. Jefferson is yet to score 1 single point tonight. Will he be shut out again? No, he's going to score. He's got to score. He's got to get the momentum going for it. Here comes Dennis Benson right now. Benson on the move. Got the high part of the track. Trying to by release it. Watch out hard in there. Blocked out again. I'll tell you what, Neil Chambers and Benson. Oh, that gets free from backside by Jerry Ruiz. But 2 points picked up by Dennis Benson.
You know, the fabulous 5 girls out there on the track, those are the girls. What a terrific job. What a pretty group of T-Bird gals they are. T-Bird.
Lori Gregory, Donna Young, Renee LeMaistre, Cody Morrell, and they're all there. What is this?
Always put a wet blanket in, but all the enthusiasm of Ralphie and Psycho about this match race Saturday night against E.G. and Mad Dog, I just want to say that those are a tricky pair, and it's going to take a lot of hard work on their practice. Just don't get too enthusiastic, man.
You know, you see Lori Gregory put the helmet on and chicken out there on the opposite fence. Right on the handheld camera, she'll pick up the Jim McInerney, trackside. Mr. Hoppy, all right, 89-84. Rocky over there, she can
crossing his leg. Ronnie Psycho Raines took a hunk out of it. But he says he'll be in there Saturday night, and he and E.G. have a few plans of their own for DeSico and for Rocky Balladero. The Olympic Auditorium.
All right, it's Rocky Balladero, as you see there, along with Ronnie Psycho Raines, until the big match for Saturday night. And look out, here comes Sam the man, and Sam's good on the inside, and Sam's going to really take a look down here tonight. And Jerry Ruiz on the inside. Oh, it blocks hard as that. Over the top and right back in again. Very versatile fly, and he'll have to Sam the man Washington. Got to be careful. Look out. He'll get the very right side. Jackson was really down for that kicking in there. Into the cycle, but it's this young man, Jerry Ruiz, picking up points for his team, the Chicago Haupt. With a score, 89-84, the Thunderbirds in some jeopardy in the score column right now. With less than 6 minutes to go, 5:58 remaining. 3-4 points picked up from Jim McInerney, trace high.
Well, this Saturday night here at the Olympic Auditorium, it's going to be Ronnie Psycho Raines, Ralphie Balladero against these two guys, E.G. Miller and John Drew. And Ronnie and Ralphie tell me that there's not going to be any place for you guys to hide.
I don't need any place to hide. You see what I did out here tonight? Ronnie Raines is dead. He's over with. He's through. Now that little short start-off has-been is all mine. And if you guys want to see something even better next week, come on out here.
That's exactly what he said. I'm going to take that Balladero, he's over the hill, and I'm going to squash him like a bug, like I did last year. And as far as that cycle's concerned, we're going to send him back to Camarillo where he doesn't belong.
Okay, we'll find out what happens Saturday night right here at the Olympic Auditorium. We'll be right back after this word.
Johnson swings, deep drive, left center field. Cleon Jones, base back, he has the room. Warning track, he's got it. The Mets have done it. The amazing Mets win the series 4-1. Shea Stadium celebrates.
You're watching Classic Sports Network. Once-in-a-lifetime moments, 24 hours a day.
The jobs of tomorrow are here. Thousands of them, waiting to be filled. But you have to know the fields they're in, and you have to have what it takes to master those fields. Because you can't get the jobs of tomorrow until you get the skills of today.
Start by calling ITT Technical Institute for an informative brochure. Call 1-800-823-6306. 1-800-823-6306. Call now.
Do you know you might be spending double what you need to for your life insurance? American Republic Insurance Company has a breakthrough buying system for purchasing low-cost, high-quality term life insurance. $30 a month, just $1 a day buys $369,000 of coverage for a man age 35. Also, for $1 a day, a woman age 35 can buy $430,000 of coverage, rates guaranteed level for 10 years. Call for your free custom quote. Call 1-800-890-0096.
Don't wait around for the coach to give you the green light. Hustle on over to Classic Sports for the Diamond Collection. Every Tuesday night at 7, watch the greatest games in baseball history, from the regular season to the postseason. Gidry's 18 Ks against the Angels, Pete Rose eclipsing Cobb, and Mark the Bird Fidwich's flighty antics. See the Diamond Collection every Tuesday night at 7, only on Classic Sports Network.
Once again, with 4 minutes and 41 seconds remaining, 89-88 the score. Ralph Balladero would like to score in there. Sometimes he's so slick out there. You can never peg him down. He's like trying to nail some jello into a tree. Oh, look out! Balladero's down this time. They're going to peg this time. It's a one-game up, a two-game up. Balladero's roughed up by E.G. Miller and John Drew working on Ronnie Raines on the side. E.G. Miller still working on the side.
Three big games, three teams at the Los Angeles, at the Inglewood Forum. All the LA fans will be there starting in the matinee game at 2 p.m. That's the T-Birds and the Outlaws and the Devils.
You say LA fans, I bet they come from San Bernardino, from Santa Barbara, Bakeryville, San Diego. You know they'll all be there, Hoppy.
Well, that's a home court for the LA T-Birds. Thunderbirds need 7 points from this. 1 minute left, too.
Classic Sports delivers the fight cards you don't want to miss. A ringside seat to the world's largest library of boxing's best fights. From lightweights to heavyweights, you don't have to wait, because every night is fight night. The night at the fights, weeknights on Classic Sports.
You've seen this product advertised for as much as $120. Now you can take advantage of our warehouse blowout sale on the body shaper that's taking the country by storm, the Ab Power Deluxe. Let the Ab Power Deluxe roll your upper body into the safest, most effective position to isolate and work your abs completely. In just minutes a day, you can lose inches off your stomach, improve your health, and have sensational abs. And it's great for men and women of all ages.
The Ab Power Deluxe helped me lose 4 inches off my waist.
You can get the Ab Power Deluxe for only 4 low, easy payments. And as a bonus, you'll receive free an exercise guide showing you how to get the maximum results from this amazing product. That's a $19.95 value free. Get the abs you've always dreamed of.
To take advantage of this special offer, call 1-800-361-3113. This is the original Ab Power Deluxe. Don't accept imitations. Call 1-800-361-3113.
Watch the greatest skaters in the world compete in pro figure skating's most prestigious events. Dorothy Hamill, Robin Cousins, Brian Boitano, Scott Hamilton, Ty Babylonia and Randy Gardner, and Torval Andine compete in Encore on Ice.
Every Sunday night at 7 Eastern, 4 Pacific, only on Classic Sports Network.
We saw an exciting game tonight. The Thunderbirds win by 1, but there definitely was an outstanding player here tonight, young Neil Chambers, the Chicago Hawks.
Yes, indeed, and I'll explain exactly why. This young man picked up a total of 43 points tonight. Amazing figure. For the girls, for the Chicago Hawks, Vicky McEwen with 23 points. Colleen Morrell for the Los Angeles T-Birds picked up 20 points. And Sam the Man Washington, our own guy, picked up 35 points. Some great scoring going on out there, but Ralphie Valadares did not pick up any points tonight. He still remains 11 points down from his career 10,000 goal mark.
Well, Georgia Haas didn't succeed in keeping Darlene Langlois completely out of it, because she is right here on the front page of our T-Bird Confidential, the new publication that gives you all the inside dope about the T-Birds, even what's lurking in the background. John Drew. Pick one up at the games next time, or write us and ask us. We'll tell you how to get a hold of one.
I wonder if Liz is overstepping her bounds. The 4-man match race has been approved this Saturday night at the Olympic Auditorium. Ronnie Psycho Reigns, Ralph Valadares against E.G. Miller and John Mad Dog Drew. This Saturday night here at the Olympic Auditorium. You'll want to be here and see this one. 4 men going at the same time. It's going to be something else. Jim, I won't miss it. You're going to be here. I'm going to be here. Remember, this Saturday night, the 4 men, E.G., Mad Dog, Ronnie Reigns, and Ralphie. Bye-bye.